Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to verify your email on Discord mobile, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Discord and then go to settings by tapping on the profile picture on the bottom right corner. In this screen, tap on account under Nitro right here and then tap on add email on the top right corner. From here just fill in your email and add the password of the Discord account, and then go to your email app where you'll find an email with a confirmation link. Just like here is the confirmation link. Tap on verify email. Wait for a couple seconds while the verification is being done. And once it's done, just quit the email app, go to Discord, and you'll find that your email is verified. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below and subscribe for future videos like this one. Thanks for watching.